Hi, in this short video I will show you how to blur a certain area on your photo. So click on the photo, go to edit image and then find the blur tool. I have it here because I used it in my previous design, but if you don't see it, just scroll down and you'll find it here somewhere on the bottom. So click on the blur tool. Then click on this second icon here. If you click here, it will blur all image, but if you click here, you will be able to choose the area you want to blur. Here you have some parameters you can adjust. I will make brush size smaller and then simply go over the area you want to be blurred. Okay, click done and then apply. And that's it, you have your image blurred. Thanks for watching.